Hi guys, I'm Noreen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I created this eyeshadow tutorial. My look is focused on blue eyeshadow to match my top, finally. I created this look because it's daytime friendly, it's friendly for work, what I would wear to work if I was wearing blue eyeshadow. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stick around for more videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. So I am barefaced right now. I only have my contact lenses in, I've moisturized, and I have sunscreen on. So I'm going out today. I have a doctor's appointment. I hurt my foot doing a Jillian Michaels exercise video a few weeks ago. And it's when my toes extend like this whenever I'm doing planks or mountain climbers. That's when my toe is really bothering me. So I have to go out anyways. My appointment is at 4:30, so I gotta bust a move. For my base, I'm going to show you how I use my BareMinerals powder foundation. I don't think I've done a look with my powder foundation, and it's actually by far my favorite base to use. I wear it to work when I go to the clinic, when I'm at the hospital. For the eyeshadow look, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Retrograde, the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde, the Huda, I can't say it. It's the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I bought this off of Sephora's website. I've had this palette for quite a bit of time now, and I haven't gotten as much use out of it as the Huda Beauty new nude palette. But I wanted to take it out because Huda is coming out with her naughty palette. I decided I'm going to try this palette out a little bit more, give it some love, and match it with my outfit. This top that I have on is from Amazon, believe it or not. I posted this look with this top on my Instagram channel. You can check it out. I'll post a link in the description box below. But I'm not going to exactly follow that look to the T in this one. I'm going to use a different lip color. Okay, enough talk. So for my primer, I'm going to use the Becca Backlight priming filter. I'm going to put the pictures up for some of these products because this one, for example, is running low. I have my mirror here, so that's where I'm going to be looking down at. This primer is really nice to use with a powder foundation. It provides a very nice grip, and the advantage is that there's some glow to it as well. So as the day progresses, you can see some of the glow showing through the foundation as well too. I tend to use about 2.5 pumps, just about this much. It has a very nice citrusy smell to it. I will do my face first before I get to my eyeshadows. While prepping my face, I'm also going to add some lip balm. I'm using the Blistex 5-Star Lip Protection. It has SPF 30, which I really like. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I put some in under my eyes and around my mouth too. So I know this is an eyeshadow look, but the reason I keep talking about creating a nice base is because it's the base that allows the eyeshadow to be more work and daytime friendly. And you can glam it up a little bit more, darken up the eyeshadows and carry it towards the night. But having a nice base will allow you to be very versatile with your eyeshadow look. I keep giving advice as if I'm a makeup artist, but I'm not. Okay, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock, I gotta hustle. I'm done with my under eye, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. BareMinerals BarePro foundation. And to apply this, I use the Sigma Large Powder F30 brush. I'm gonna apply it on my neck, under eye setting, using the BareMinerals Champagne 03 color. So I'm really excited because I'm trying out some new eyebrow pencils. My holy grail eyebrow pencil is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And I prefer using the triangle shape brow pencil over the thin pencil, but the problem is that I can easily use one of these up in a month. I watched some reviews on the LA Girl brow pencils and they're supposed to be really good. I have 3 colors I'm going to try in my hand and see how they go. So let's see. And I'm smearing the colors around. I think the brunette color is the most perfect match with the Anastasia taupe color, so that's what I'm going to go with. So I'm happy with the eyebrows. Let's get to the good part. So the three palettes that I'll be using are the Mercury Retrograde palette, Tarte Remix Natural Eyeshadow Palette, and for the crease I'm going to be using the Tartelette in Bloom. To start things out, I'm going to start with Utopia here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And I'm using a little bit of color theory with my eyeshadows because if you look at a color wheel, blue is opposite to orange, so the two colors go well together. So I'm going to put that orangish transition shade into high above my crease area. With my finger, I'm going to apply this blue haze color as the base for the blue eyeshadow. For the shimmery blue, I'm going to use the Tarte Remix Natural Palette. Now, you don't have to use the same exact eyeshadows that I have. I'm just showing you the basics of what I think would help with this look. And I'm not going to go very heavy-handed with this glittery blue color, mainly because I'm keeping it. Yeah, it's a blue color, but I'm going to keep it subtle because it's a daytime / work look. I'm going to give myself a little bit of a crease color, and my favorite neutral crease color is this color Jet Setter from Tartelette in Bloom. Okay, I'm just buffing out the harsh edges here. I'm going to line my eyes with my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. I'm going to tight line with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Demolition. Mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, but I also like to use the primer base as well, so I'm going to put that on. I'm going to contour with the Dior Contour Palette in Universal. For my blush, I'm going to use the Cover FX Pink Dahlia. And then I'm going to use the highlighter color as well too. So I had posted this look on Instagram, but I had used a different lip color. But that lip color is discontinued, so I'm trying out a new lip balm, which I absolutely love because it is very mask friendly. First, I'm going to line my lips with the Revlon Color Stay color in Wine. And this is the lip balm I'm using. It's the Nars Afterglow Lip Balm. The color is called Dolce Vita. Now this lip balm is very mask friendly too, because as a lip balm, it disappears in a few hours, but it doesn't smear into my face like a lipstick does under a mask. So that way I love this as a under the mask lip color. So if you're somewhere and you got to put your mask on, go ahead, put your mask on, but when you take it off, you don't have to be embarrassed that it's gonna be smeared all over the lips. I don't want to forget my eye mascara either, just in case if I forgot to mention. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to take this Cosmic color and I'm going to put it right in the corners of my eyes. I'm going to run off camera and I'm going to do my hair and add some jewelry so I can finalize this look. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the completed look. I went for a ponytail today. It's more of a double ponytail, a ponytail up top and then another ponytail up bottom. And then these cute little earrings are from Amazon, believe it or not. So like it's almost like an Amazon fashion look because the top's from Amazon and the earrings are also from Amazon. So let me show you my eyeshadow in close-up. So I really hope you enjoyed this daytime blue eyeshadow look. that you could wear to work. Even my hairstyle, when I have scrubs on, I do a double ponytail, so this pretty much is the look that I carry to work as well. I don't usually wear earrings because my stethoscope really snags on them. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your feedback. And if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe as well. I'm touching on some medical topics pretty soon. Stay tuned for that. If you are a physician, if you're pre-med, if you're a resident, because I have some videos that are relevant to medicine as well, and they're going to be coming up pretty soon. In the meantime, thanks for watching and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.